So this is the main entry. Hornbill. Welcome to Nagaland. It's a beautiful place. I would request everybody to come and visit at least this festival, Hornbill Festival. This one. Still 4 days left. Let us see what program is going on. Now which? Oh, I will directly show you. Now which tribe is going? Okay.
They would imitate the actions of hens and roosters while performing this dance.
It's a full crowd with their own traditional dresses. It's looking so colorful and beautiful, and there are some delegates also. Some foreign delegates are also sitting here. Foreign delegates are coming.
They are now imitating the dance and slapping their wings. This dance is performed during festivals and celebrations. Ladies and gentlemen, the Javango Village Cultural Troupe.
And they will be performing for you the Lunya Chulo. This is a demonstration of the harvesting of this grain of jobs here.
This is actually Kamyam tribe.
Usually, mats made of bamboo are placed in the field. This is to gather the grains.
Royal leader.
No cocktails there. This folk song will be presented by the cultural club Kolong Kimong Mongkok from the outlet.
I think after that they will come.
Dates back to the Chungli Yimti days, which is considered as the ancestral land of all Chungli Owls. It is a song sung in honor of a dead bird that was lying on the path to the field. Fearing it was a bad omen, they cancelled the field work that day and honored the dead bird out of superstition.
And they are doing some folk song. Finish हो गए? Finish हो गए?
The lyrics of the folk song goes like this. One who knows our past. Have you died due to some ailment? Or was it the work of some evil spirit?
The Jung tribe of Nagaland celebrates the winter festival. This winter festival is called
अभी
Hornbill.
अलग एक ट्राइब आ
It is
रहा है.
celebrated in the month of January. This festival is observed to commemorate the completion of their year-long agricultural activities. It is also celebrated to honor and thank the Almighty God for the abundant harvest. Business and barter were also carried out during this festival. The winter festival or the Buanglong was also marked with folk dances and songs by the villagers. Ladies and gentlemen,
Please make them
our last performance for this
get an entry,
we
bhai.
have the Pilashi cultural troupe Dingsam village representing the Chang tribe of Nagaland. They will perform for you the winter festival dance. This winter festival dance is called Changpele Chia. The men and the women folk would wear their best traditional attires and dance together. They would also sing praises for one another.
ये कॉमन है ये साउंड हर एक ट्राइब में. ये वाला these are all handicraft items of Nagas. Naga theater. These are all made up with all bamboos. So beautifully carved. Same as Tripura, I have seen all these things. एकदम पूरा बैम्बू से बनाया हुआ है. All these are made up with bamboos, eh? So nice. Key rings and all these things. How much is it? 380. These are all made of bamboos. So many things. All the household utensils you will find. जो भी घर में यूज इस्तेमाल होते हैं, काप से लेके एवरीथिंग पूरा बैम्बू से बनाया हुआ है. की रिंग्स, ब्यूटीफुल की रिंग्स. Some handbags and trays. लड़कियों को बाल में लगाने के लिए क्लिप्स. So many things. These are all made of wood and bamboos. Craft developments. So beautiful. Dao. Dao, huh? How much is this? इसका क्या प्राइस है? 1000. वाह, क्या वजन है भाई. सब्जी उब्जी काटने के लिए. देख सकते हैं आप लोग. खरीदो भाई यहाँ पे आके. सब नागाज ये आइटम सब ये सब्जी काटने के लिए घर में काटिए सब. This is Green Valley, green teas and all these things, huh?
Organic green tea, sir. Organic green tea, black tea.
These are all from Nagaland.
Yes, sir. Book some.
Oh, huh? Oh,
Wine is also Nagaland, sir.
Lisa.
Tamarindo, grapes wine.
If somebody likes, though he doesn't want to promote all these things, but anyhow, there are so many.
Try करना चाहिए सर.
No, I don't actually. Maybe after maybe 1 or 2 days, I can purchase these teas.
Yes, sir. Pickles, chicken pickles.
Okay.
Sir, you got it.
No,
Actually, I make some documents, but maybe recently I can.
Okay.
Maybe from 1st January,
Yes.
there will be some videos. ना सुंदर पॉलिश किया है एकदम, so beautiful. কিছু কিতনা Hornbill. This is Hornbill. So many things.
There was no syringes.
They're on the top of that hill, Naga Heritage Village. So beautiful.